Hello everyone, I'm Simit from Kai Academy and today I'm going to talk about Instagram stickers. GIFs and Instagram stories are a very serious trend, but did you know how you can also create Instagram stories, GIFs and how to use them? Are you looking for more information about stickers on Instagram, where to find them and how to use them? Instagram stickers have made Instagram experience more interactive and fun. And what's best, all you need is a bit of creativity to use them. And here is everything you need to know about the stickers, whether you use Instagram casually or are a power user. Instagram stickers are graphic design elements that you can add to your images and videos. There are many types of stickers to choose from based on how you want to use them. Some stickers are animated and others allow you to mention your friends or share your location, and all of them allow you to make your stories more engaging. Overall, they look absolutely amazing when added to your Instagram posts or stories. You can find Instagram stickers by clicking to create a new story. And once you take a photo or a video, you can find them at the top right of your screen. I'll just show you from there. At first you need to choose your story and plus icon. And from there, you need to take a photo or you can just make a video from there. I'll just take a photo. And then just look for the smiley sticker icon. It's the third in the bottom row. And you can see it at the top right of your screen. And another way to find stickers is by swiping up after taking your photo or video, just like that. Instagram stickers can be fun to use. However, they can be also very useful for your brand. The different types of stickers can help your business engage with fans and feel closer to them. For one, stickers can help you boost your engagement without being repetitive. They can help you grab your followers' attention in a way that doesn't feel too promotional and predictable. Good use of stickers in your stories can help you showcase your creativity to highlight your brand, your products, and your team. And that's the power of those stickers. They make your stories more engaging, and as I'm sure you know already, the more engaging your stories are, the higher the chances to keep your followers coming back. And let's take a look at types of stickers on Instagram. Well, that's a difficult question to answer actually because there are always new ones coming up. But for now, you can use the following stickers in your stories. The first one that I'm gonna talk about is quiz sticker. It's just right here. You can use the quiz sticker to ask multiple choice questions. For example, you can test your followers to find out how much they know about you. You can also customize the answers or even click on the dice at the bottom of the screen to find a random question from there. And it's just like that. Or the question sticker. It's here, yeah. The question sticker encourages your followers to ask you any questions. You can also use this sticker to ask your followers to send you song recommendations. It can be very engaging as you can also share the responses in new stories. You can also host Ask Me Anything sessions to feel closer to your followers. And the other one is music sticker. You can use the music sticker to add music and lyrics to your stories. It's a fun way to make your stories more engaging by picking the exact point of the song that you want to play and even the font that the lyrics will be displayed in. And it's also a good way to learn more about someone's music taste. And the other one is poll sticker. A poll sticker allows you to add your own question to gather your followers' votes on the most popular answer, and it's a very popular option for brands, and you can even add emojis instead of written answers to make your story more fun. And And the other one is location sticker. The location sticker allows you to share where you are based on your nearby options, and it's useful for local brands that want to promote their business as a way to encourage their customers to do so for improved awareness. And the other one is hashtag sticker. The hashtag sticker allows you to add a clickable hashtag to your story, and it's very handy if you want to promote your brand's custom hashtag so that others can tap on it to find out more about it. It's just like that. And time and weather sticker. Time sticker is here, and you can change like that, or weather sticker, and you can change this one like that too. And you are able to share the time and the weather with stickers that can make your stories more personal and possibly relevant to your followers. And another sticker is selfie sticker. It's just like that. Yeah, and you can use this one too. This one, there is an option to share your selfie sticker to create more reactive stories that feel authentic to your followers. Instagram is currently testing the option to introduce new selfie stickers that are rounded, fun, and engaging. And if this rolls out to everyone anytime soon, it could change the way we are sharing stories to make them more personal while putting our faces at the center of attention for engagement in a good way. And there are 4 tips to boost your engagement with Instagram stickers. Instagram stickers can help your brand stand out, and you can create content practically out of nothing, and most importantly, you can boost your engagement rate. If you are ready to add stickers to your Instagram strategy, there are 4 tips to consider. So the first one, test and learn. You don't need to overthink the use of stickers to your stories. The good thing with Instagram stories is that the content doesn't have to be perfect. Authenticity beats perfection any day, and all you need is to test different stickers and how they can help you be more engaging. The second one is be creative. Stickers can help you be creative in various ways. When you're struggling on what to post, you can ask a question to involve your audience in your content planning. And you can even borrow ideas from others to push your creative boundaries. And 3, think like your followers. All posts on social media should be about your followers, not your brand. When sharing a story with stickers, think like your followers. What would make them participate? And how can you be genuinely authentic? And 4, make UGC the new norm. User-generated content can help your brand find new content that comes directly through your followers. It's a great tactic to discover new ideas while making your followers feel part of your strategy. And you can ask questions and share the answers, or you can encourage your followers to use your hashtag to share the best uses of it. Yeah, it's just like that. I think you'll benefit from this information, and I think that's the end of it. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.